Welcome back. We're going to start machining on the back side. What we're going to do is we're going to carve in a handle pocket here and here and do a little engraving, and then we'll turn it over and do the other side. So the first thing we have to do is touch off our Z. So hit plate, say OK, say OK. Say OK. And now we'll adjust it for being in the center. Okay, turn on the dust collection and we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, we're ready to do our V-bit on this now, and I got it installed. Now we'll just do the Z height. Our Z height is set. All we got to do is load our program and get ready to go. Start our dust collection. Okay, welcome back. We're now on the front of the board. We got installed a 60-degree V-bit, and we're going to go and do our lettering and our stars with the 60-degree V-bit. We'll set the depth and turn on the dust collection and run our program. Okay, we're on our last step. All we got to do is put an 1/8 inch bit in to take out these little areas in here, and we'll be finished machining. So let's go ahead and go to plate, say OK, touch it, got a red screen, say OK again. Our Z height is now set. We'll load our program and start the dust collection. Thank you for watching our machining video. Remember to support all of our sponsors: Next Wave Automation, KenCraft, Crystal Lac, and Silverback Woodworking. Again, thank you for watching.